Welcome, coin enthusiasts. Today, we are looking at one of the most fascinating errors in American numismatics, the 1975 Jefferson Nickel. At first glance, it looks like any other nickel minted in Philadelphia that year. But there is a hidden detail that makes this coin a legendary find for collectors. You see, the standard 1975 nickel is common, but there is a very specific, rare variety involving the S mint mark. The 1975 no S proof nickel is the one that captures everyone's attention. Usually, proof coins minted in San Francisco are supposed to carry an S mint mark. However, due to a minting error, a small number of these coins were produced without the mark. Because they were part of a proof set intended for collectors rather than general circulation, finding one in the wild is nearly impossible. It represents a manufacturing oversight that turned a standard coin into a high-value rarity. So why is it so valuable? Its worth comes down to two things: extreme scarcity and historical significance. While millions of regular nickels were made, only a small handful of these no-S errors are confirmed to exist. When these coins appear at auction, they don't just sell for face value. They command thousands of dollars. Prices have been known to reach anywhere from $2,000 to over $5,000, depending on the condition or grade of the coin. If you think you have one, the key is professional authentication. Because of the coin's value, counterfeits do exist. You should have it examined by services like PCGS or NGC. To summarize, it is not just a piece of copper and nickel. It is a piece of history that proves even the mighty US Mint can make a mistake. And for the lucky collector, that mistake is worth a small fortune. Keep your eyes peeled. You never know what might be hiding in an old collection. If you enjoyed this deep dive into numismatic history, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more stories about the world's rarest coins. See you in the next video.